Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to install WordPress in xampp. So in 2026 uh, we are going to learn how to install the WordPress in xampp server. So step by step you can follow my channel, and just following my channel you can get to know how to install WordPress locally, because WordPress is a open source PHP framework, MVC framework, where it is very easy to develop website and plugins. So therefore, to uh, if you do not have the web server or any hosting, then you can easily install WordPress on your local host xampp server, and how to use it we are going to see. So let's start the video. We'll just open Google, and while opening Google you have to input WordPress download, and this is the result what we get while searching. If we search, the first link is being shown, and you can see WordPress 6.9 and WordPress 7.1. These are the version of the WordPress. So by the version you can just install it. So we will click this one, and you can see that WordPress 6.9 is here. We can use 7.1 also, but we will just use. While get WordPress, if we click get WordPress, it will get automatically downloaded in your downloaded folder. You can see it, just what WordPress is recommending. So therefore you can see recommended version is PHP 8.3 or the greater. MySQL version is 8.0. So if you want to see which version is your my xampp is, then you can go to xampp control panel, and while we start this, we'll click on admin button. If we click the admin button, you can see here the PHP information is been given here. So this is the PHP information, where you can see which version are you using of PHP version. So this is the latest version, PHP version 8.0. So these are the setting. So we'll go to back to WordPress, and you can see that I have already installed WordPress 7.0.1, and we'll go back to WordPress, and I will just get WordPress 6.9. Okay, so we'll get WordPress. While clicking the get WordPress, okay, it is showing me 7.1 version. So we will just extract this here only. While extracting, we will extract the zip folder to this. It will take 1 minute, and when the extract has been done, you have to follow all the steps to install WordPress in your localhost xampp server. Therefore it is just zipping it out. So let it be done, and we'll go to our see where xampp is installed. We'll go to xampp and we will go to htt doc folder. These are the files which are being our demo folders, the website which we are made. So in htt doc we'll just put the extracted wordpress file here only. Let the extraction 92% has been done. So after the installation has been done, we will just see how it is done. So the extracted folder is here in our download 7.0. We will just copy this, or you can cut also. I will copy this and go back to my htt doc, and I will just control V and I will paste this WordPress folder. So after that we will go to our dashboard, where you can see this is xampp Apache, the xampp server. This is the default dashboard, and please do subscribe this channel to get the latest update about open source PHP web development and latest technology related to how to work WordPress with AI. Energy server is okay. Okay, so we'll go back to http doc. You can see WordPress software has been, the file has been, we will change this rename to any website we are working on. So we'll write this name as tech pro m, and we'll go back to dashboard and we will just delete this. We'll write tech pro m and we will enter this. Mhm. You can change the browser also. This is my default browser, tech pro m. We'll just see to it whether it is working or not. Okay, now it is working. So we will just stop that. I will just cut this. So in this you can see our WordPress language is showing which language you want to install your WordPress. So we want to install in English. We'll just click the continue, and you can see database name, database username, database password, and database host. So let's go to it. What is your database name? So we will database name as DETA. The database name should be that name that is not in your previous MySQL. So we'll put this unique name data 1. Okay, username, username will be any username. We will use admin, and password, we can use any password, 1 2 3 4 5 6 at the rate INDIA. Okay, so database host is a local, and table prefix, if you want to run multiple WordPress installation in single database, then change this. We don't want to change this, so we'll just copy this password as somewhere, and we'll click on submit button. Are you sure you want to correct username? Error still on database connection. Try again. Okay. Username is root. Okay. Password is none. Does the user root have the permission to the determine contact your house? Okay. Okay. So we'll put on this localhost phpMyAdmin. We'll just create some database here only. I will wpress. We will make this WordPress database now. So wpress has been done. wpress. So now it is working. What was previous was that when we use the paid hosting, it gives us the database, but we are using localhost, so we have to create the database first, and then it will work. Run installation. We'll click the run installation. All right, Sparky, you have made through. So site title, now it is working. So our site title is tech pro m, and username is Dev D, and our password is 12345 at the rate INDIA India. So any email ID you have to put. It is devd12345 India. Copy and install the button. You must provide an email. Okay, so they were you must provide an email address. confirm use weak password. Why it is asking to put the email address as we are using localhost? Because WordPress is choose WordPress has been installed. Thanks for enjoy. And now we'll click on login, where username is D and our password is you can see how it is showing me my WordPress installation has been done. So now this is how you can work on WordPress. And if we click on visit site, okay, so if we click on visit site, you can see Tech Pro M. Tech Pro M is our folder name that has that website. So if we just go to log out button also, we have to check. Okay, now I will click on this local localhost. We have to delete that setup folder also. We had not techpron tech tech name, that is tech pro m. So this is our installation has been done. So thanks for watching. If we want to log in, we will just put this something wp dash. No, that is not what was wp dash. wp dash login dot php. So if we want to log in, we'll just put on this and click on enter. So you can see we'll put the username D and our password, that is 123456 @india. Click on remember and we will just log in. And you can see we can log in to our WordPress website. So thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel.